Hey everyone, so we have a Nature's Nectar reading here. This is our pineapple sparkling juice storage. This was in the Aldi Fine section. At my local Aldi, this was in the Aldi Fine section, where they have like seasonal items and seasonings, like stuff that's not like food and drink necessarily. They sell stuff that's not like food and drink. You know, like some like cheap electronics like that, like keyboard and wireless mouse, keyboard. They sell there's mice, mouse. You can buy computer mouse. They sell. You can buy computer mouse, or you can buy like some school supplies. Like they have I think they have like a few school supplies for like closer to school, earlier in the school time. But like summer stuff. You have stuff festive, like stuff with like seasons and stuff like that. Seasonings. You know, like seasonal like food items they try. You know, like they have like name brand like cereals, like Kellogg's, General Mills brand cereals. All these used to never be like name brand, get name brands in their store. But I think they're trying to do the offer name brands at discount because of the fact that now they're trying to, people are shopping at Walmart and Target, those type of stores. And, people, they want, all you want is people to come to their store and, shop there. And because Aldi is known for a bunch of, like, name, off-brand stuff. And they want to get some name brands and maybe people shop there. Because, it's cheaper groceries. You can get cheaper groceries there. You can still get the good name brands they know and love. But, get, like, I don't know, budget. Like, they have, like, name brand, like, Gatorades. They have, name brands. They have a bunch of, like, new products, like the vitamin drinks, like the vitamin waters. They have the knockoffs of the vitamin waters. Their own pure alpha brand. They have these sparkling juice beverages. But I think I've seen them in other brands, but I really don't remember the brand. This is their Nature's Nectar Beverage juice. Secret is 14 grams per person, 2 grams natural sugar from pineapple juice. Fruit does have natural sugar. Pineapple juice has natural sugar. No add sugar though. 10% custom source again. First, that's interesting. It's pineapple juice water. Carbon dioxide, for keeping inside the can though. You need to make it sparkling. Make it sparkling juice. Espressos or ascorbic acid. Sparkling This was 8.45 kilos. I believe this is like 3 something for a 4-pack. He had other flavors there. I said try this one flavor. I figured I'd get more quality instead of this is pretty good. It's pretty good. I like it. I like this pineapple juice. Definitely sparkling. I will say, it does have with the water in there. This tastes a little more sparkling water. Plain sparkling water than sparkling juice. It's not like as strong as like a sparkling juice. 100% juice drink. Maybe this size. And then, they just get carbon dioxide to make it sparkling. It's a little bit more sparkling waterish. With some sparkling juice flavor. It's not bad though. Oh yeah. Or anything, you can definitely taste the sparkling juice. that kind of turns into a sparkling water. It's not bad though. I don't mind it though, and then you drink pineapple sparkling juice, but I don't mind it. I wish there was a lot more sparkling flavor to it, more flavor to it. But it's not bad though. I still give it a solid I'll give it a Mountie out of 10.